Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Turtle Breakout Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 5, and this is a straightforward breakout system inspired by a classic turtle trading strategy focused on catching big moves on symbols like XAUUSD. It sounds simple and logical, but I ran it through my test to see the real performance, so ensure you watch this video to the end to get the full picture and the entire breakdown. So let's dive in. But before we get into today's expert advisor proper, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can download it for free by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's totally worth it. Now we're talking about the Turtle Breakout Expert Advisor. It was developed by Monk Odi Jakasaikan, and he's from Mongolia. Quite popular on the MQ5 community. Has just 5 products, and there is no reviews on this expert advisor, and it goes for just $34 US. Has some comments, and the developer seems to be responsive to the comments. Now, talking about the overview of this Turtle Breakout Expert Advisor, it follows the famous turtle strategy, meaning that it enters into positions on breaks of long period highs or lows using stop orders for confirmation, and exits happen when price breaks shorter period highs or lows in the opposite direction. This lets winners run while cutting momentum fades. And it works on many symbols including Forex, indices, gold, and more, from 5 minutes up to weekly time frame. And there's no grid, there's no martingale, it's pure price action breakout. They highlight stop orders to avoid fake outs. Also, the choice of long only, short only, or both directions if you want. We also have the moving average filter for trend alignment. We have the percentage based position sizing and stop loss. Then we have the trailing stop after break even, and also we have the option to skip trades after a loss in the same direction. It's marketed as a real no nonsense system with flexible settings. We do not get any backtest results or even a signal. There are no signal links, no backtest results, nothing from the developer except this video, and this video is from the developer himself, and this is where he's running the expert advisor in the background, but we're not going to dive into that video. We have our own backtest which we ran on the Turtle Breakout Expert Advisor. But before we dive into that, let's talk about the key settings. The key settings they push include the entry period for breakouts, and we have the exit period for closes. It's both of them. And we also have the MA filter. We have the trading hours and risk options like percentage sizing and stop loss. Then you can set how long pending orders stay active. You can add trailing. You can also control directions. It's positioned as easy to use across time frames with proper risk management built in the inputs and in the settings. For my backtest, I used the default settings from the developer for this backtest, and this backtest was from June 2025 to June 2026 on a $10,000 deposit on XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame. And total net profit came in at a loss of about $9,127. Basically, the account is almost gone, and we had a profit factor of 0.57, very poor. Then we have the max equity drawdown, a brutal 95%, and balance drawdown 94%. Basically the same thing. Win rate was about 27%, with only 96 trades taken for the year. The equity curve shows a pretty steady bleed downward with some small bounces, but overall heavy losses. And now, compared to the clean breakout concept that they describe, this highlights how tough these systems are in real conditions. Lots of false break on gold. You know how gold trades. Gold is quite volatile, so I'm sure the breakout had lots of false breaks. Now the features that mattered include the periods and MA filter. Those were active throughout. And then there is the trailing, which helped a bit on winners, but the risk settings couldn't prevent the big drawdown. The thing is, breakouts need the right market environment, just like you've seen in this backtest and on this pair gold on the 1 hour time frame. It didn't quite add up and didn't quite deliver as promised from the developer. Probably maybe in Euro USD or other pairs it could work, but on XAUUSD, which is the most popular pair in which so many traders around the world trade, gold on the 1 hour time frame, and we have this result over the span of 1 year. It's not really impressive at all. My verdict for this is that it's a faithful Turtle Breakout implementation with decent tools, but performance depends heavily on market regime. The nuances will include high sensitivity to false breakouts and volatility, and implications of this means that it can shine in strong trends but suffers in chop. And I'll say it's for experienced traders who can handle big drawdowns and tweak it for specific symbols. But if you are a trader who needs low drawdown, or a trader who have small accounts, or maybe you're a hands-off consistency trader, I'll say you should avoid this expert advisor and look for something else. Always for test properly before you trade with any expert advisor at all. And that's our review on the Turtle Breakout Expert Advisor. Like this video if these real tests help you. Subscribe and hit notifications for more expert advisor reviews like this one. Comment below which EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.